Hello sports fans, welcome to another exciting episode of Marketing 450 from the best university on the planet, CMU. This is Team 2, alright, let's get started. Oh, Aiden, who was the cutest puppy ever? Oh, are you excited to learn about some coupon survey information? Alright, let's go. Alright, on the agenda, first we're going to talk about customer satisfaction objectives, then we're going to go into conjoint analysis, or how customers make decisions, and finally we'll go over the acceptable price range using the Van Westendorp pricing model, and in conclusion, our analysis. Okay, first we're going to go over performance scores for each attribute. Availability of coupons has the highest mean performance score with 6.76, and the lowest is level of discount with 5.74. As you can see, the red line labeled average is the average overall performance score, and that is 6.21. So on availability of coupons and delivery method to receive, we're above average. We're doing good on those. Effort to find coupons, we're just a little below average, so we're still doing okay there. But there's definitely some room for improvement on level of discount, which is below average with 5.74. Okay, now we're going to go on to the importance scores of each attribute, and the highest importance score is level of discount. The lowest importance score is effort to find. So level of discount with 0.55, that's the highest importance score, so that is the highest improvement opportunity for us. Okay, now we're going to go on to the performance and importance analysis, also known as quadrant analysis, and this takes the importance scores and performance scores of each attribute and compares them so that we can find our major strengths and major weaknesses. Alright, as you can see, discount level is a major weakness. It's very important to customers and we're performing below average on it. A major strength is delivery method, which is important to customers and we're performing great at it. Okay, we have two minor strengths. We have availability of coupons and effort to find. So availability of coupons is a little more important than effort to find, and we're performing a little better at it. So that's more of a strength. But effort to find is less of a strength compared to availability because it's not as important to customers and we're not performing as well at it. Now we're going to go on to improvement index, and as you can see, level of discount is our biggest improvement opportunity with the highest improvement index score of 2.36. And effort to find is the lowest, so we're doing great at effort to find, but we can definitely use some improvement on level of discount. Okay, now net promoter score. We use this as a benchmark to compare across industries. We find it by taking the promoters, which are people who rank customer satisfaction as a 9 or 10, which we have a score there of 47, and we subtract the detractors, which are customer satisfaction ratings below a 6 on a 10-point scale, and we have 15.7 for the detractors. This gives us a net promoter score of 31.3%. This is a low NPS score, and it says that it's highly unlikely CMU students will promote their coupons. And here we have the NPS score relative to the best competitor. The best competitor score is 71%, and our score is 31.3%. So we're definitely not competing well compared to the competition. Okay, now we have coupon attributes. Level of discount has the highest score with 40.7, and the lowest is 22.4, and that's type of coupon. So customers value level of discount as the highest coupon attribute, and they value type of coupon as the least important coupon attribute. Okay, now we have delivery methods. So assume 0 as the average. So any negative number, below average, and if it's a positive number, it's above average. So the lowest below average is swipe card with a score of negative 10.2, and the highest above average is cell phone with 12.49. Okay, now we're going to go into discount level, and with 0 being the average, 20% off way below average. We have a score of negative 58.57. And then at 50% off, we have way above average the other extreme, and we have 57.47. Okay, now we're going to go on to types of coupons. The lowest below average is attraction and entertainment with negative 20.3. And then restaurants has the highest above average with 16.5. And retail service, a little barely slightly above average, but restaurants is definitely more significant. Oh, Misha, who's the cutest puppy? You want to keep learning about market research and coupon surveys? Yeah? Yeah? Okay, now we're going to go on to the acceptable price range and using the Van Westendorp pricing model. So at $5, customers say it's too cheap. At $20, it's a good deal. $25, it's expensive, but they would still purchase it. At $35, it's expensive and they're not sure, and at $40, it's way too expensive. So the acceptable price range here is between $20, which is a good deal, and $35, which is expensive, not sure. So that sweet spot in the middle at $25, that's where we want to be. That's where we're going to get sales. That's where people are going to purchase at the highest price without deterring them from wanting to make the purchase. So $25 is our sweet spot. Okay, now we're going to go specifically to good deal pricing. This is what customers would consider a good deal. So at $5, 95% of people say that's a good deal. At $10, a little less than 80, about 79% of people say that's a good deal. And then we have another steep drop off at $20. So at $20, about 50% of people say it's a good deal. So we're losing a significant amount of our customer base. So we're going to want to stay below $20. Okay, now we're going to go on to expensive, but they would still purchase. Okay, at $10, a little over 90% of people say it's expensive, but I'm going to buy it. At $15, we go down a little bit more, and we're at just below 80% of people say it's expensive, but I would still buy it. When we go to $20, we're just below 70% of people say it's expensive, but I'm buying it. And the next drop off is at $25, where a little less than 60% of people say it's expensive, but I'm getting it. Oh, Aiden! Who's the cutest puppy? Hello! Hello! Alright, and in conclusion, here is our executive summary. Overall, CMU students are not satisfied with their coupons based on availability, delivery method, effort to find, and level of discount. The most important deciding factor was level of discount, which also had the lowest satisfaction score. Therefore, improving the level of discount attribute is most crucial to earning a higher overall satisfaction score. In addition, in terms of promotion, a MPS score of only 31% proves that CMU students are highly unlikely to promote their product. Therefore, students are not willing to pay a high price for coupons. An acceptable price range is $20 to $35. If a coupon has a 50% discount level, students would be more likely to use coupons.